Finally filmed a video doing my eyeshadow with the new Festival PUR palette, and if you want to get this look, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Festival palette, and I'm going to start out with the color Epic, and it's a lighter shade. I'm going to put that all over my lid with a fluffy brush, just buffing it all out. So now I'm going to take this darker shade called Hidden Desert with a Morphe blending brush. I am going to start that in my outer corner and bring that into my crease. And I don't want to take it too far in because I want the inner corners to be lighter than my outer. So next I'm going to be taking that lighter shade in Epic and using a fluffy brush. I'm going to buff that into the outer corner, almost close to my eyebrow. And now I'm just re-blending the outer corners, making sure there are no harsh lines and blending that in with that lighter color. Now I'm going to pick up the darkest shade in the palette called All Night, and I am going to tap that into the outer corners and not bringing any of the product inward, just keeping it in the outer corners. And now I'm going to sit here for 20 minutes and blend the shit out of it. Now I'm going to go back in with that lighter shade with a fluffier brush and kind of buff that into my brow bone, but not too close to my brows. And I'm going to pick up the shade Psychedelic. It's a shimmery shade, and I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to put that in my inner corners to brighten up the eye a bit. So now I'm going to go back and pick up that lighter shade with a pencil brush, and I'm going to blend that on my lower lid. Next I'm going to pick up the color Hidden Desert, and I'm going to blend that into my lower lash line, just in the corner, connecting the top to the bottom. Now I'm going to pick up the color All Night, so that's the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just going to place that on my lower lash line, just in the corners. And I also like to use a fluffy brush to dust off the fallout if there is any fallout. I'm now going to take the shimmery shade Free Spirit, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. And not picking up any additional product, I'm just going to put that on my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. I'm going to take this brown eyeliner and put it right on my waterline. And for my top eyeliner, I like to use a black felt tip eyeliner, and I'll just run that right across my eye. And yes, I like it thick, so it's just the way I like it. And for my eyelashes, I like to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I don't curl my eyelashes or anything like that. I just use the mascara. And I'm going to put that on my top eyelashes and my lower lashes. That's a pretty cool face I make. That's embarrassing, but that's okay. And that completes this video. Thanks for watching this awkward situation.